Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making some air fried lemon pepper wings with spicy lemon pepper honey butter sauce. It is absolutely divine. I hope you guys try this one. Let's jump right into this video. So here we will be brining our chicken wings. I have some sugar, salt, and lemon pepper seasoning. Then we are going to mix that well and add our washed chicken wings. Make sure this is really submerged. Cover and let it sit for about an hour. We are going to remove that from the water. Make sure to dry your wings off. Then we are going to add some chili oil right over the chicken. Make sure to marinate that well. Then we are adding our onion powder, garlic powder, and lemon pepper seasoning. And some black pepper. Looks absolutely amazing. We are going to spray our air fryer. Then I am going to add the flats on one side and the drums on the other side. You're going to spray right over the chicken wings. And we are going to allow this to cook for 40 minutes on 400 degrees, and make sure to flip the chicken wings halfway through. This looks amazing. I am going to flip this because I need my chicken wings just a little darker. You can let me know in the comment section what wings are your favorite. Now this is perfect for me. I am going to remove. Let's give it a try. Oh, this looks amazing. Then we are going to make our famous lemon pepper honey butter sauce. Here I am going to add some butter, allow that to melt. Then you're going in with some lemon juice. Make sure your heat, guys, is on really low. Give that a good stir. Then you're going in with some honey. Give that a good mix. Make sure it's really well combined. Then we are going to add our chili pepper here. You can choose to omit the pepper and just a dash of lemon pepper seasoning. And the ingredients, guys, will be in the description box, not to worry. Then we are going to place our chicken wings. We just, we want it to coat really well. Allow this to cook for an additional minute. Have that really good caramelization. That sweet, savory lemon pepper is just divine, guys. You just have to make these wings. Look at that. Perfection. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Please share this video, like, and comment. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.